Episode 6 of the racing grind here. So we're going to be firing up the engine. Take 2. So we got the engine up to heat, and it ended up we found a leak on a fitting. So that fitting ended up being bad, so we had to get one replaced, and so we've got it all repaired now, and we're ready to fire this thing up and go through another heat cycle. Stay tuned.
You got a squirt bottle?
Yeah, I do get one of those carburetor like paper did.
Oh man.
We got an all-star one. What?
Gotta cut the tip off of it.
Oh no, it's on there.
Is it in there?
A little bit of,
It's a little big hole.
little bit of.
Oh Lord. I got mine from the paint store. You can hold it straight up and down and do it.
It's got a clear.
Matt, how much battery you have? Because that's a little bitty hole.
I got plenty.
What doors you want me to open? Dad? Just open the 2 man doors for now, or?
Got my old way down here.
Just getting ready.
Yeah, it might be another 45 minutes before you got to open up the doors.
It's his armor, man.
I'm a master at the squirt gun game you see at the fair. Where you, yeah,
The bullseye.
the bullseye.
Are you ready for this?
I'm ready. You?
Oh yeah, I'm always ready.
Listen, boys, we're gonna have to put a bigger hole in this, or you guys will be late for the consi.
All right.
Get over here. I ain't no problem.
I didn't really any miss.
Just squirmed on me.
It'll be all right.
That's what I'm talking about right
There
there.
we go.
That's the buffet.
Now we can make a mess. Not fit in there now.
Oh yeah, we're good. We're golden.
Now we got time to make the heat race.
Yep. Still gonna miss qualifying.
Yeah.
We'll start to tell the heat.
All right, we got bleed through. Have you already pulled oil pressure on it?
You ain't pulled oil pressure on it, have you, Dad? You haven't pulled oil pressure on it, have you? You haven't got oil pressure on it, have you?
I don't want to get going. It's up the other lot when I.
We'll try it. Ready? Oil pressure.
Try it.
It's starting to come up.
All right. Yeah, we're mixing that up. There you go. Perfect.
Or 2 switches.
Okay, so those 2 switches have to go up and ready.
Yep. Release that.
Contact. Yeah, it's trying to come alive here. Jeff's not good at just here. You're good right there. Just a little bit there, buddy.
What we got going on there?
Well, let's try something here. Let's double check our distributor real quick. I've been known to be famous for getting a tooth off.
What?
Getting the tooth off.
Two's off.
Yeah. Let's pop this dude off real quick.
Doesn't it? Mess off that big cap on there.
Mm-hmm. So we can get a 5/8 socket. I can pop this spark plug out.
Let that corner go.
Turn the switch back on a little bit.
Both of them.
The power switch too, I turned it off.
Okay.
Just the battery.
Just the battery?
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm.
Oh.
Ah! Hey, I didn't do that.
It might have been that guy.
Still had the rubber on it.
Thank you, MSD. Yeah, we're good there. Boys, we probably wasn't getting no contact.
How did it get contact?
I don't know. It had to be jumping off the side of it. That's funny.
It's the little things.
It's the little
Down
things.
there a while ago.
You might have. Trivial. Should we leave a spark plug out just for fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is they? Oh, you burnt through it.
I mean, it would have ran eventually.
Yeah.
Yep. It would have cleared out. And been
There is
good.
a piece of paper on that you get with them rotors that tells you to take that off.
Well, you know, this might have been done at about midnight. I was.
A little busy, aren't you, Jerry?
Well, we're 37 in on the year since September, and I am exhausted.
Want everything?
Let me hook back up the.
Logan said he didn't think that time a lot of work, but
I thought we used the
I
old
news
one
to
last
me.
year,
I
but
don't know.
we'll see.
Remember?
Hope for better luck.
Alright.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Take that.
What'd you go for?
I'm scared. That's there. You know what this is? We just since we didn't have a hook on that, here, let's take this off.
Huh?
Let's take that off right there real quick. Okay.
Got anything to do with turning that cap around like you did?
Shouldn't have, because, I mean, we put the pigtail on the back. But we need to try something here. See, that one will reach there. Oh, but this one won't reach here.
It's tatters.
Well, hold on here. We got this to try here. Okay. Let's try that. Boy, something's misfiring horrible in there.
Take the cap off?
Yeah, let's take the cap off. It's on TDC. It's 3.
Right. Try again.
Let's try this time.
cool blue.
Cool blue, pure cool.
Pure cool. Now here's, this is what we put in. That's there.
Thanks, Brad.
Sponsor of the video, shout out.
That's right.
Goodness. Maybe we can start it without the valve cover on it, or we can start it without
We tried.
the side over.
What's the update, Logan? Give us an update.
We're trying to fix some water leaks. So.
Oh, Logan, your hose is too short.
Nah, that happens. A lot.
Yeah. Where's the other fitting at? You still have it, Jeff, in your hand? The other fitting?
Now, my way,
No, the other
fitting?
the other short tee. I'm gonna take this tee right here. I'm gonna take this fitting and reseat the lower fitting, and see if we got a circle on it. And if we do, we should be able to make the other one go back in there. See if it'll tighten back up. Our hose is too short for this one.
oh,
You need this fitting?
Yes.
Find another one back.
yeah, we did it, I like the same thing, the blue one.
It's the same thing. Now one thing, don't let Logan fool you. Usually when he's here working on his car, he's usually listening to Miley Cyrus.
Oh yeah. Party in the USA.
We've listened to it a couple times so far.
Yeah. Famous one is coming in like a wrecking ball.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's after Saturday night, so we'll get back to the shop.
That's right. After we just ran, just fitting.
Yeah.
That's what Logan told that Ute tire at Brownstown last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. It's amazing I hit the Ute tire instead of hitting the guy that pinched me off. Won't do that again.
You tire didn't talk back, did it?
I won't do that at Brownstown. I forgot. The putting wheel, they move. All right, how many times went in there? No, not moved. Okay.
Yeah.
You had it straight from Schoenfield, the paint lasts a little longer.
What was left on him? What was left on him? I asked your dad, I said, when he was putting these headers on, I said, that paint gone off those headers? He said, yeah. I mean, it looked like a kid that'd been in a bad bike wreck. There was scabs all over him. You're always right there at the point where you don't know whether to pull any harder or not because it is aluminum.
Pour in again,
Yep.
turn that top fill off.
Yep.
Then
Yes, sir.
pearl, yeah, on the wall. Pop it down a little.
I know. They heard us trying to start that car a while ago, so they're shooting back now, aren't they?
Yep.
You ever seen the ball far roll that one head there? One time, like, it's like a torch. This crumble sparks this way and that way.
Yeah, it's just tips of the valves. It's all right.
Just scratching the surface, right?
Mhm.
Really?
Nope. I am now. Just put a little bit of pressure in there. Whoa. Yeah. We'll have to order a fitting for that one. It's coming out around the top. We know better not to take that off until we drain it down in the floor.
Alright, so you're gonna notice a break in the videos. So that break in the videos is because of this right here. So that goes down into the head to help cool the head. That fitting was leaking. It was no good, so we end up getting some new fittings, and so now they're all replaced and we're good to go.
So we're gonna refire from the other day, new fittings replaced.
Yep.
We're gonna try it again.
Try it again.
Right, Jeff?
Yep. Yeah, whatever you said.
Jeff just goes with the flow.
Just
So.
goes with it.
All right, so stick with us and we're gonna fire it back up.
I saw park here
Keep
by the
your
door.
eye on you now.
What are you driving, Jeep? That's why I didn't hear you before.
You got that nozzle with the big hole in it?
Yeah.
All right.
Modified the hole.
So this is technically take 2.
This is take 2.
Take two. We had a malfunction in a fitting.
At the end of this video, Jerry will get back in his Jeep and leave. And then me and Logan will go over what the issue was with the other day.
If this was a Prius, we would have just charged the battery.
And that's nothing against Jerry, it's just that Jerry's wife is in the Jeep waiting on him.
He's gotta go.
Yeah,
He's gotta go eat.
that's a disclaimer, by the way.
More pressure.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Contact.
So we fired up the engine. Everything looks good. Got up the temperature. It sounds great, right? I'm ready to race this thing. We might even get out sooner. Who knows? You never know where we're going to be this year. We're going to have a lot of fun. But we got some fresh Hoosiers over here. Ready to go. Pull bar. It's fresh. If you're losing traction, you might check into that device. But anyways, so we got this thing fired up, and it sounds good. We're you ready to go, Dad?
Ready.
Matt, you ready to go?
Jeff is ready to rock and
He-
roll. I can just tell in his
He
voice.
is.
Flag to Flag Media is ready to rock
We're-
and roll this summer.
We're ready to go now.
Jeff is going to have to put up with me all summer long.
Yep.
You're
We're
excited, ain't you?
Old Nicholas is getting us some stickers. Stay tuned for that. We are going to be doing maybe something special for the 50th anniversary of Jeff Mounts Motorsports. So stay tuned, and we'll see what Matt's got to say.
Hey, we're going to cut out on this one. Looking forward to this summer. It's going to be a blast. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because you're not going to miss any of this content. It's going to be fun.
It's going to be good.
Like this video, share it out. Like I said, subscribe. And yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to rock. The media guy's ready to rock and roll. The new motor's in. We just
I'm
gotta
ready.
get the driver tuned in.
That's right. Might have to knock some rust off the driver, but it shouldn't take long. It's like riding a bicycle, they say. So catch us on the next one.